Welcome back to Boyle Family Farms. We got a lot going on here at the farm, but tonight we're going to be getting our goats and we're going to be giving them the second round of medicine. They're doing great. They are a lot bigger than when we first got them. They're a lot healthier. We're going to give them their second round today, so we'll bring them out one by one. We also have some exciting news that we've been working for a long time for this moment. Stay tuned to the end and I'll let you know what that big announcement is. Really good. We'll bring them one out at a time so we can make sure that we get all of them their medicine. Are you helping, Alex? This medicine you have to put directly in their mouth. They don't seem to hate it too much, so quick and easy. Let's get the next goat. That's a nice thing about keeping the horns on your goat. It's a lot easier to control them. You got it, Andy? Can you hold it? Oh, it's eating? Oh, Tyler, he got you.
Oh, the babies. Come on, girls. Tyler.
A baby. Mom.
Look how fat these goats are getting. Versus when we first got them, they were really skinny. The pigs are doing great. They're getting big. They no longer stay in their pen. Every time you put them in their pen over there, they get out and they like to hang out with the rest of the animals. But so far, they haven't got out of this pen. So they just must like hanging out with all the other animals. Good job, Andy. The Billy's the hardest one. Get the Billy.
Get behind him. He won't let you catch him when you walk behind him.
Alex, watch out. Watch out. Peanut Butter here is adjusting well to the new farm. She's made friends with all the animals here. You can see how much bigger she is. On the left here is our Highlander bull. He's pretty much full grown. And then Peanut Butter here is a beef cow. She's a lot bigger. And then Ellie is our little heifer. She's less than a year old. And we got Bucky back there. He's still not quite coming around yet after his haircut. And Jenny, she's always kind of hangs out in the back. George is still over here in quarantine. What's up, George? George is our beef bowl. He's currently on Craigslist. Unfortunately, we can't keep him and the Highlander bull, or they'll fight. The kids will be sad because we raised him since he was a calf. He's actually a really friendly bull. But he's over here in this pen. They feed him in the morning, at night. Come over here and play with him. What are you doing, Tyler? You playing with the bull?
No.
Now we got to put some fly spray on peanut butter. We wormed her when we got her here, but now we want to put some fly medicine on her. Keep the flies off. The girls are coming up here now. You can see they're all wet. Probably back there in the river. That's where they like to hang out. What's up, Bucky?
You got missed, I don't know.
We like to have our pets play with each other. As you can see here, Emma has her dog Bruiser playing with her chicken Lily. It's good to do this because, as you can see, sometimes, especially dogs, like to attack chickens. We like to get them to meet each other so that way when we're not around, the dogs don't attack our animals or eat our chickens. While we were outside with the goats, Emma made this new recipe. Get ready to try it out. I told her she needs to put some of these cooking recipes on YouTube, but she says that nobody would watch her recipes. So we're all excited here at the Boyle Family Farm. We have finally made it. We've made tons and tons of videos, put them on YouTube, and you guys have watched them, and we appreciate that. We have finally hit monetization on YouTube, and so we are excited about that. I told the kids once we hit that, they could have all the money from that. So they've already gotten $200 in the first 5 days. So we thank you guys for watching our videos. Also with that, we finally got our merch store. Is now on our YouTube page. So I encourage you guys, go on there, shop at our store, and support the farm. And all the money is going to the kids to teach them how to make videos, teach them how to raise animals, how to care for animals. So we thank you for your support.